this video, you'll learn how to import an FBX file into Houdini and set it up as an agent to be used in a crowd simulation. First, set your Houdini project to keep all your files organized. Next, save your Houdini file. It's a good habit to start with. Now create a geometry node. This is where we will build our character setup. Inside the geometry node, create an FBX character import node. This node will handle your FBX file. Navigate to the FBX file parameter in the FBX character import node and browse for your FBX file to set it up. Time to create an agent from rig node and an agent layer node. These will help us set up and see our agent. Connect the animation pose output from the FBX character import node to the skeleton input of the agent from rig node. Set the agent output of the agent from rig node to the agent input on the agent layer node. Now connect the rest geometry output from the FBX character input node to the shape geometry input of the agent layer node. Also set the capture pose output from the FBX character import node to the character pose input of the agent layer node. Turn on the display flag for the agent layer node to visualize your setup. And now would be a great time to save your work.